Guys, I want to show you 3 trades we missed. We didn't miss those trades. We didn't get our entry. The market didn't come back to fill our limit orders. But the first one, it was here yesterday. And I want to show you where I took that trade. I had the order limit, but later on I deleted it because we had news during London Open, right? Let me first take it back here. You can see the market was moving up. You see, 15 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes. You can see the market was moving up, and my plan was to buy this market, right? And I had my buy breaker block just above because we had our supply zone just here. You can see it. We had our supply zone just here. You can see it. This was the supply zone before, and this supply zone was disrespected, right, during seeding session. And the moment it was disrespected, it became our automatically it became our buy point of interest, demand zone, buy breaker block. So it just continued up. But the moment it went up, it created another break. You can see it. It created another break of structure to the upside, right? You can see it. That means this buy breaker block, you have to delete it because it's now invalid, right? Because you have new external and internal swing low and swing high, right? Then we had our break of structure to the upside. Then we had our change of character to the downside, right? Then the market came back again and shifted again. Internal structure. This is internal structure. Then after shifting again, then you had our change of character to the upside. You can see it clearly. Then after having our change of character to the upside, we had to wait for the price to come and break this because this candle was for Asian session. We had to wait for the London session candle to give us our confirmation, right? Then we got this confirmation, this candle, it was our confirmation. Then you had to go down to 5 minutes candle to get that first 5 minute candle inside London Open, right? Then I had my entry just here on this candle, this 5 minutes candle, you can see it. And it was with my stop loss just below here. And it was order limit, not like just taking a buy in order limit. So my plan was to wait for the price to come back and tap into this, then continue up. But later on, I went down into fundamental analysis and we had news. So I had to delete it, right? But you see, just because of news, I had to delete it. I don't trade during news. If it's not NFP, if it's not CPI, right? You see? Then the price went up and it's fine. Sometimes you're going to miss trades, sometimes you're going to take losses, sometimes you're going to, but the most important thing is to have that risk management. If you win, you win big. If you lose small. And on long term, then you make money, right? Then that was Thursday. Then the price came and we had this pullback. You can see we had this pullback to the downside, and then we had our break of structure to the upside, right? That means we had our demand zone here. We had 2 demand zones. We had the first one, but the first one, it was above our discount zone. You can see it was just up here, so it was invalid. So I had to go down to 5 minutes and I got this candle, this last sell to buy candle for our demand zone or order block, buy order block or bullish order block, right? Then I had my demand zone there, and my plan was just to wait for the price to come back and tap into this demand. Then I get confirmation, then I continue buying that price. So the price came down cleanly. and you can see the price came down cleanly, and we had a clean tap to that demand zone. We had that clean tap to the demand zone, you can see it, and we had our confirmation, but the price didn't come back to our 5 minutes fair value gap, and my order limit were just here. You can see it. Even I have an inverted fair value gap just this side, you can see it, and I had my orders just here with my stop loss just below here, and my take profit just here. And I had to wait because the moment you wait, you get a better risk to reward, you get a proper risk management plan. It's not like you're rushing in just trying to make money. It's just like you patiently waiting for the price to come to you so that you can take a clean entry with a better risk to reward, targeting the swing high or the swing low. It depends on the market structure, right? So the price just went up. It didn't come back. It didn't come back to tag me in and then go up. It didn't. Why? It's normal. Sometimes the market and the price, they are dealing with more orders. You understand? And they don't have time to come back. They don't have enough orders to get back to your entry and go up. And it's normal. But the most important thing, if you have the skill for trading, you have unlimited opportunities. It's just a matter of waiting. Right now, you can see we had this. You can see we had this. Now we have our following breakout structure to the upside. You can see it, and we have our demand zone just below here. You can see it. You have our demand zone just below here. That's it, guys. Peace out.